Assalamu alaikum dear kids. I'm your English teacher Miss Sehrish Javed. I hope that you all are fine by the grace of God. Kids, this is your English course book. And in our fourth lecture, we have read the poem Three Little Chickens. And in this poem, we have learned that if we want to get something in our life, then we have to do hard work, struggle, and effort for that. And we have read that the three little chickens were only wishing to get something, but they were not doing any hard work for that. And we have learned that how their mother gave them way to fulfill their wishes. We also learned so many new words in this poem, like queer, squirm, grief, squeal, meal. We learned about the rhyming words from page number 21. We did the bookwork on page number 21. The words that produces the same sounds are called rhyming words. And we did the exercise on page number 21. So kids, today in lecture number 5, we are going to do the copywork of the poem Three Little Chickens. Kids, first of all, you have to write date and day on your Neat English A copies. Then you have to give heading, poem, Three Little Chickens. First of all, we will do the words meaning of this poem in our copies. You have to give the heading, words meanings. Word number 1, queer. Queer means odd or funny. Queer का मतलब है अजीब या funny. Number 2, squirm, small twisting movement. Squirm means हल्का सा मोड़ना. Third word is grief, means sadness, उदासी. And fourth word is squeal. Squeal means speak in a very high voice, यानी बहुत ऊंची आवाज में बोलना. So kids, these are the 4 word meanings you have to note down in your Neat English A copies. Next, you have to write sentences in your Neat English A copies. You also have to write date, day, then give heading, poem Three Little Chickens. You have to draw a margin line, then give heading, words, sentences. Here we have 5 word sentences. Kids, you can also make sentences of these words by your own selves. Word number 1, little. I have a little sister. Number 2, chicken. I like chicken. Number 3, fat. My cat is fat. Number 4, mother. I love my mother. Number 5, leaf. Leaf is green. Kids, this is your 5th lecture English A work. You have to do this work in your Neat English A copies. Kids, next is your grammar work. You have to do these words opposites in your Neat English B copies. Kids, words mean कोई भी word and opposite means उसका उल्टा. For example, there is a word clean. Clean means साफ. तो उसका opposite यानी उसका उल्ट क्या होगा? गंदा, dirty. Yes. So these are the words opposite. And you have to do these words opposites in your Neat English B copies. First of all, you have to write date, day, draw a margin line. Then you have to give heading, topic, words opposites. Word number 1, clean, means saaf. Its opposite is dirty, means ganda. Number 2, active. Active means chust, कोई भी काम फौरन से करने वाला. And its opposite is lazy. Lazy means sust. Number 3, empty. Empty means khali. And its opposite is full, means bhara hua. Number 4, fire. Fire means aag. And its opposite is water, means pani. Number 5, heaven. Heaven means Jannat. And its opposite is hell. Hell means dozakh. Number 6, truth. Truth means such. And its opposite is lie. Lie means jhoot. Number 7, left. And its opposite is right. Number 8, in. In means under. Its opposite is out, means bahir. Number 9, wet. Wet means gila. And its opposite is dry. Dry means khushk. Number 10, hot. Hot means garm. And its opposite is cold. Cold means thanda. Number 11, day. Day means thin. And its opposite is night. Number 12, new. And its opposite is old. Naya and purana. So kids, this is your 5th lecture homework. I hope that you have understood it very well. You have to do this work in your English A and English B copies. That's all for today. Take care and Allah Hafiz.